beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you have tuned in before, you are so welcome again. If this is your first time, thank you so much for clicking that thumbnail which you saw that brought you to this my channel. Alright guys, so today's video is a tutorial on hairstyling. Now this hairstyle is something you can actually wear for up to a week depending on how you manage it. So because towards the end of this video I can show you how you can always switch up the look depending on the occasion you want to wear it to, be it office, be it event, be it just taking a very nice picture. So, alright, so guys, first off, I cut off some hair in the front part of my hair, and then I twisted it out separately. That is for a different purpose. And then I go ahead to bring out the hair in the middle of my hair that separates the middle part of the hair from the ones around it. Next, I use my wide tooth comb to comb it out, and then I go ahead to tie it off. Now, if you want to make, this is the method you conform when you want to make a standing and very high puff or high bun. First of all, gather the ones in the middle, and then you can go ahead to do the same for the ones around it. Using my wide tooth comb, I comb out the ones around it, and then I went in, tied them up all together. So guys, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. As you are enjoying this video, hit that subscribe button, also hit that like button. It doesn't cost you a thing. All you have to do, there on your interface there is a subscribe written in a platform of red, and then also click on it. Then another one is to click on the thumbs up button, which is the like button. So guys, after packing the ones at the back, the bun, which I'll still come back to later, I go ahead to separate the ones at the front, the ones that I already mapped out at the front, and then I use this. Okay, I am blushing, I love my hair a lot, and then I go ahead to use this styling mousse, or should I call it foam wrap? Yeah, foam wrap, because I want to, maybe in a couple of days I will loosen the curl so that it's going to help my curl to be more significant and more obvious than just curling it without foam wrap. So cutting out some, I made a loose twist because that is what I want to make. Loose twist, I prefer making loose twist when I want to style my hair, because it looks different and it looks very relaxed, unlike tight twist. So this is what I do to the whole of the ones in the front. I kept on twisting all of the ones in the front using the foam wrap. Use the foam wrap to twist the ones at the front. And then on the long run, I figured that I decided to add beads to it, and then leaving it out without adding beads to it. With normal natural hair, it will tend to shrink, but if I twist and then add the bead immediately, the length will still be there. It will still drop the way I want it to drop. So this is how I put the beads. Using my bobby pin, I start putting the beads one after the other. For each of the twists, I'll be using 3 beads for each. So this is the method I'm using to do the twist. And then because I don't want to wear it with the bead for a very long time, I plan on removing the beads probably after taking picture, or after taking picture actually, because I wanted to take some pictures with this hairstyle. So after taking the picture, I plan on removing the beads. That is why I didn't use rubber band to tie them off. But if you wish to wear this style for a very long time, longer than a couple of minutes in a day, I suggest you use rubber bands, tiny rubber bands, to tie off the beads. So after tying off the beads and then making the ones at the front, I go ahead to start twisting, making big twists with the puff at the back, or at the middle part of my hair. That is what I kept on doing. Cut out some hair from the bob puff, make a big twist, cut out some hair, make a big twist, and then after doing it, this is what it looks like. I went on ahead to bring them all of them together loosely and then make another twist at the top. Then use a bobby pin, using a bobby pin to secure it, and then I just put it somewhere in the middle, right there in the middle part of my hair. And that is it, guys, for this particular hairstyle. So going on ahead, this is what the hairstyle looks like. And then to switch it up, when I remove the bead, this is what it looked like. And then switching it up, I also made the style. This is the different styles that I made using the same hairstyle. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Bye.